guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favour. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my sleek back ponytail or bun. I don't know what I'm going for yet, but yeah. Also guys, I know it's been a month now since I last uploaded. I am so sorry. I've been super busy, but besides that, also my ring light broke. Like, I've been holding my ring light with duct tape. It's not been fun, but yeah, so I stopped filming for a while, but now I am back, and as you guys can see, I have a new ring light. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a sleek back ponytail today. Nothing crazy. So for this video, I'm gonna be using a spray bottle. I'm also going to be using this Phonto Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm also going to be using some of my special essential oils. Y'all know I barely ever film a video without using those oils because it gets me right. And I have super dry hair. My hair gets dry super easily, so I have to consistently keep it, moisturized. So I tend to use oil and water. I'm also going to be using this hair food thing that I picked up from the store. I've been using this I literally got this 3 weeks ago, but it's almost gone. I've been using it a lot. I just like how it just melts into my scalp, So I've been using it way more. So grabbing this, I'm just gonna put this amount. That's all I need. I'm just gonna put that in here. I'm only using this amount because I get a lot of residue from this. I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, like so. So this is the vitamin E oil by Mega Care, and then I'm gonna be going in with the black castor oil. Just a little bit, and then finally I'm going to be going in with my tea tree oil, like so, and then I'm going to put a little bit of this in here, although I like to apply this directly to my scalp. So yeah, guys, this is a little nice concussion that I usually make. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of water, well, not a little bit, I'm just going to fill it with water now. Close it up, and then I'm just gonna shake it. So I use this normally when I have my hair out, if I need to quickly throw my hair in a bun, if I have to do a quick slick back or anything, or if I feel like my scalp is getting super dry, I'll just spray this into my scalp. So yeah, I actually had one made already, as y'all can see, but for the sake of this video, I decided to make another one, just to put you guys on. Go ahead and like this video, because don't say people don't put you on, because Favour do be putting y'all on. Period! I'm gonna go ahead and detangle this using this. I must be brushing it out to smooth it out. And then I'm gonna go in with this to smooth it out even more. Guys, I'm already tired. But I'm gonna go ahead and repeat that all over again and again and again and again. And pretty much that's the process. I barely said anything while I was working on my back hair, so I plan on going to details now that I'm working on my front hair. I'm gonna be detangling my hair with this. Just kind of picking through it, making sure that it's well detangled. And then I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle. I shake this each time I pick it out because the oil is most likely sitting on the top, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the root of my hair with this. Also guys, don't be scared to spray your hair with water. Do not be scared to spray your hair with water. They love it. So yeah. Alright, after this, I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel. Also guys, I wanted to mention that if you do want your hair to lay down, I mean like, you know, like lay down like all the way flat, then you need to, you know, section your hair out, because if you don't section it out, then you're just gonna end up with a whole bunch of bumps, and you don't want that. You want your shit to be laid down, like, period. So make sure that you section your hair out. You take it like smaller, you know, smaller section at a time, like I did. If you feel like you can go for a bigger one and still be able to manage it, fine. But if not, make sure you just go with like small sessions. And yeah, go ahead and slay yourself, sis. You got this. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. I didn't want the middle part to be super long. I wanted it to be short, so yeah. Can y'all tell that I'm tired? I am so tired. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Alright, so basically this is the most complicated part for me, because I have to work quickly because my hair gets super dry and I still want to be able to like not mess up all the work that I did. So I have like 4 rubber bands left in here. My goal is to get them all out and to brush up, you know, my kitchen and, you know, just clean it up and make sure that everything's okay. So I'm going to be moving very quickly, and if I'm not looking in the mirror, if I'm not looking in the camera, it's just because I need to just get this done. Okay. Now, y'all know Eco Styler is not gonna hold my edges down, so I'm gonna be going in with this. this is what it looks like. What can I say? I just look fabulous. What's up now, guys? Now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down with this, and I'll be back in 30 minutes to show you guys the finished look. I'm also gonna apply a little bit of makeup here and there, like why not? But yeah, so let's get to it. 30 minutes, and we'll be back in 30 minutes. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, use this commercial break to subscribe. Commercial break, yep, it is a commercial break. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you know. Alright guys, so this is what my edges looks like right now. Yep, so moving on to the back. I don't know what to do with it, to be honest. I don't know if I just want to leave it down. I mean, when it dries up, it gets thicker and stuff, but right now it's just super wet and thin, so I don't even want to leave it down. Like, that would be disrespectful to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw it in a bun, and then tomorrow I'll be able to achieve something better with it. But right now we're just gonna put it in a bun. Just roll that out for no reason. I'm just disappointed.
I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed.
Because that was actually a fresh one, so it's like,